This is the Sharmax Sport 250, a classic enduro bike in my opinion, and very, very, very friendly on the pocket, may I say. It's a 21 horsepower, very attractive old school enduro bike. I mean, it has an analog display, which I think is really cool as well. How does it perform? Well, that's why we're here, and that's what we're going to put to the test. As you can see, we are in the desert of Sharjah. Yes, Sharjah, just a little bit more inland than the seaside of Sharjah. I want to put this to the test. I want to see how this thing is going to cope in the desert and see if I can handle it. I'm excited, I'm optimistic. I've not ridden it properly, so I think we should go. As far as a budget-friendly enduro bike goes, I'm impressed. It's lacking a couple of things, but that would be expected because the offering that Sharmax have is not just this. So if you want a little bit more, then you get maybe the Extra Pro 280 or the 300 or the 450. Anyway, see you later.